Hello there, I am going to show you one solution to a DirectX error that prevents you from streaming with Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS. I'll show you my solution. First of all, I'm going to show you the error I was getting. Whenever I tried to start streaming with OBS, I would get this error. Could not initialize DirectX 10 on Intel HD graphics. The first possibility here is listed as your GPU is not supported. DirectX 10 is required, but your graphics card doesn't support DirectX 10. I went online to OBS looking for help, and of course OBS is open source software, so they do not have an official help guide, and they do not have people available online to chat with you to solve your problems. What they have is a forum, and of course anyone who's tried to find solutions on an internet forum, you know that you don't find solutions. If you get any responses to your questions at all, it's usually someone openly mocking you or giving you a response that doesn't even address your problem. Anyway, the people on the forum, I was seeing other people having the same trouble, and they were getting the answers that their graphics card did not support DirectX 10. And I was told the same thing. Your graphics card doesn't support DirectX 10. Well, I didn't accept that at all. I thought that was complete nonsense. I mean, here's my graphics card. I've got a GeForce GT 335M and an Intel Core i5 CPU. The idea that an NVIDIA GeForce graphics card would not support DirectX is garbage. It's complete nonsense, and I knew better than that. So I went looking on the settings for the streaming profile that I was using on OBS, and the setting you want to look for under video here, right at the top of the video tab, it says video adapter. You can choose which video adapter. If it's set to your CPU or your internal graphics card, then that's the problem. You need to select your powerful graphics card. Well, I had that setting already taken care of, and I knew it. So after a few frustrating minutes of thinking, I realized maybe I should look at let me drag the OBS icon out to the desktop. I thought I'll right click on the OBS icon and see, and there it is. The third item down, you choose which graphics processor to run OBS with. And you have to have this one set, as well as the one that's in the OBS video settings. Now look at this. Right now, the default is set to the integrated graphics card, which is wrong, which means it's not going to work. I could click on a high-performance NVIDIA processor, and that would fix it for this time. But if I want to set it permanently, I need to select Change Default Graphics Processor. That opens the NVIDIA control panel, and you have a list here of software, and you can determine which graphics card is going to run each one of them. It's under Manage 3D Settings. I know that doesn't make any sense. That doesn't seem like that would only be for special 3D games or something like that. But no, this list determines which graphics processor runs each bit of software. When you select Open Broadcaster Software on the list, you change it to High Performance NVIDIA Processor, and that's what solved the problem for me. If you're not using an NVIDIA graphics card, go ahead and try the right-clicking option or open up your control panel for whatever graphics card you're using, and they may have a similar solution. I predict that nobody at the support forums is going to tell you this because it's too obvious, and because they really don't care. So anyway, I hope that works for you. Bye.